Now it's too oily. It's not changing.
Going from Pu'ar to Dali, right? I'm talking to my microphone, mate. I'm just vlogging. Oh, yeah. So, what is it, 500 Ks? Yep. 500 Ks today. Big day on the bike. Yep. Go. Lost your license and registration, please, sir.
Oh, I don't have a gun.
Check his bags, he's got meth.
Not so much.
Yeah, I can let he's just guiding this because I know it's very checkpoints.
How to get up?
Day 2 done. We left at 8:30. It is 6 o'clock. What's that? 10 hours on the bike. Stop for lunch. Yeah. Oh, people are trying to come in. We made it. We are in Dali. Yeah. Ancient city. Let's have a bloody look around, eh? Day 2. More maintenance. This wire here's touchy. No good? Good. No good? Good. So, just gonna have a quick look, see what it is. I got it fixed in VNTN. Yeah, okay. I got it fixed in VNTN, but I don't know how he did it, so I'm gonna have a look. So I did solder it, but there's only like 2 wires that are actually through. So I'm just gonna twitch it up a bit better, wrap it around, hopefully it solves it for a little bit. And then, I don't know, when I get it serviced later, I'll do a better job on it, I think. So we're all doing some bike work today, are we?
Yeah.
What's going on here, mate?
So my skid plate was just so dirty. So Wong actually said like he thought it was oil. That's why I was like, oh, I don't know if it's leaking or not. Let me just clean it so I can see if it's actually leaking or not. Maybe possible to check.
And what are you doing, Nareem?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm just lubing my chain. Easy stuff. Clean it with brake cleaner and then now change the brake cleaner.
Yep.
And then now I'm lubing it, so it's all good.
Lovely.
Tension is fine.
Good to go.
Good to go. Okay.
Okay.
Grab a photo with that security guard.
What do you reckon?
Sorry?
How was your day?
Tiring, man. It was a long ass day today.
How's your ass feel sitting on that fucking thing?
Yeah. Felt worse when I visited the gay bar, but yeah, I'll tell you more about that another time.
This is the room that we had for night 2. Yun's on that side, it's nice and tidy. I'm on this side, I've got my shit everywhere. Typical. It's really quite nice. They're putting this in good spots. They're like, look at that, that's cool. Nice bathroom in that. Like, this is bougie, bro. Going from hostel living to living a life of luxury in China. Pretty funny. It is costing me $3,500 US. So like, you'd want to hope that I was getting some fucking good rooms. I would have been a bit upset. Anyway, we're going to get some dinner. Meet the people out front. Go get some food. Go for a little walk around Dali. See what it has to offer. Hopefully find a fucking jumper. Like, have a go at it. Way too luxe for a duro like me. This is Young.
欢迎光临中国，来我们的国家看看。Oh, you should take a picture with the Mao statue.
The what?
Mao.
The fuck is that? Huh? Yeah, this is my roommate. He's a tidy one.
He's the person that make China communist. Yeah, but no profanities there, so you got to take
profanities.
Yeah.
So this man here, he's the king of China.
Was the king of China.
Was the king of China.
Yeah.
He's the one that made everyone give everything to him. This fella here, this one here, he's the reason why the police need all my details and want to know exactly where I am at every moment while I'm in China. That is a good donut. Which one are we getting?
Super low level spice for you.
White boy spice.
Really low level spice. Wait lah. And then you want the swan la. Oh, sorry, it's gone. No more. Choose something else.
有没有麻辣面？拉面。可以，酸拉面。
然后 one bowl of dumplings.
Yes.
We can share.
这个文吞。
那就是抄手，
第一个。
我们叫的抄手。
抄手哦。那个汤是辣的。
Okay.
No, I'm scared of that.
This is wonton.
Yeah. And they have prawns.
Barbecue it and add all sorts of Chinese Sichuan herbs into it. Yes. So just choose whatever you want, whatever skewers you want. No, this is for Aiden. This is for Aiden.
Chicken feet.
Yes.
I haven't tried chicken feet.
Or brains. Oh my god, I think these are brains, right?
That's brains for sure. Who's getting that?
Young's it.
No.
Have you guys tried the brains?
It's crickets.
Aiden, you wanna bite it? Eat it. I'll buy you the brains though if you want.
Is this a challenge?
Who's having that? I'm not.
What? You haven't tried it,
We
right?
should play a game and then the loser
Has it?
and
Oh
we
my
then-
Seen the shirts yet? Live on our website. Check them out. Go get one if you want to be cool like me. Or if you don't want to be cool like me and you just want to help me out. Buy a bloody shirt. And if you don't want to buy a shirt, buy a hoodie. The Champion. Got the print on the back. Hit the link in the description. Hit the link in bio. Let's go. Get one. Catch ya. Alright. Day 2? Got it, day 3. So we pulled up here for a photo op the Moody Mountain. There's my boy Chili. What up, Chili?
What up?
Well, it's dripping, but I don't know if it's just a chain or not.
The next big city that has a workshop will be in Kashgar is 6,000 kilometers. It will be their last day in China.
Yeah, right.
So you need to stock up on.
Yeah, I should probably get some oil.
Nice oils. It's too oily. It's not changing.
Should probably get it looked at.
Got the workshop?
Should get it looked at. Bad. Bad. Not good. So once just take me to the mechanic, we're gonna get this oil leak looked at because it's the last chance that we're gonna get for about 6,000 Ks. Auntie, you look so hot on the Harley.
It's a really good one.
It's all going on.
啊，还有一种情况呢，就是买一个这个拆车件，
买一个是吧？
买一个这个拆车件，然后呢，就比如你们放到哪里，
还是车木？
你们。
Marijuana in the side of the road in an industrial area in China. So we found the issue. It's the external oil cooler, one of the feeds to that is leaking. So he's pulling out the little flexi hose and replacing it with a metal hose instead. So it'll take about 3 hours. So I'm stuck here in Dali for a bit longer, but that's okay. I've got a heap of editing to catch up on. So I'll do that for a bit. I'm glad it showed itself today and not tomorrow, because if it didn't, it'd be 6,000 Ks until the next major town where we could get it fixed. So just thinking myself lucky in that respect, you know. So yeah, they're all buttoned up and I'm good to go. So what he ended up doing was he slipped over a bit of pipe. There was that bit of flexi tube that was like that. He's just slipped over a bit of pipe where it was leaking. Now it's solved. And they've got ham over here. What are you doing?
Helicoiling my oil filter cap bolts.
Yep.
So those got stripped at another workshop. You know, it's really soft metal. So just chucking in some helicoil, but it got a complication because one of the helicoils has stuck wrongly. I didn't tap it deep enough. So we just gonna figure out what to do about it.
Maybe drill it out and do it again?
Yeah, most likely chuck an extractor into it, extract the oil, tap it out again, and then yeah. It should be
Fun.
yeah, fun in the sun, fellas.
Alright, let's try again. So he rebuilt the line, the oil feed, and then there was a little leak above it too, so we pulled the cover off and made a gasket out of silicon. So hopefully she's sorted. I've got oil in the bike now too, just in case. Just in case we need it, you know, it's just good to have, really. Old bike things, eh? You know? It's part of their charm, right? That's what we tell ourselves, make ourselves feel better. We're going that way. I don't want to ride in that. The sound here starting to hit. We're about to set off, but I reckon give it another 10. So I reckon it's going to blow over. And you wanted to ride in this? Glad we didn't set off. So I've made it to my accommodation in Lijiang. It's stunning, man. Like, just over here behind me is a snow-capped mountain. The first of many in this trip. I'm just amazed at how pretty China is. Like, it's stunning, really, man. Like, it's really cool. What a bloody trip. Like Shangri-La. That there's Jade Dragon Mountain. Not a bad spot to pull up.